Accused CEO assassin Luigi Mangione is back in New York City, now facing federal charges that carry the death penalty. He was surrounded by heavily armed police officers and FBI agents. Luigi, why did you kill Brian Thompson? Luigi, why are you so angry at United Healthcare? Every moment of his journey from Altoona, Pennsylvania, was broadcast live on television. The spectacle began when Mangione waived extradition during a court appearance. Mangione's attorney. We're ready now to move forward and start defending these charges in New York and Pennsylvania. Outside the courthouse, protesters gathered, carrying signs that read, "Free Luigi." As Mangione was escorted out through a rear entrance, cameras captured his freshly shaved face and cold glare as he climbed into an unmarked police van. He was driven to a nearby airport, about 30 minutes away. In handcuffs and shackles, Mangione boarded a small Cessna aircraft for the hour and 20-minute flight to MacArthur Airport on Long Island. Upon landing, an NYPD helicopter waited on the tarmac, ready to escort him to his next destination. Mangione was flown to the Wall Street heliport in Lower Manhattan, where a massive police presence awaited. Among the officers stood New York City Mayor Eric Adams, flanked by FBI agents. The show of force was deliberate, a clear message in response to the wave of online support for Mangione. With the number of supporters rallying behind him online and increased calls to free Luigi, authorities took every precaution to ensure his safe and secure transport. Mangione, traveling in a black van under heavy guard, was escorted by an NYPD and FBI motorcade to his arraignment in federal court. The 10-page federal complaint against Mangione paints a chilling picture of premeditated murder. Prosecutors allege Mangione kept detailed notes as he plotted the assassination of United Healthcare's CEO. According to the complaint, Mangione began formulating his plans as early as August, but accelerated them upon learning of an upcoming United Healthcare investor conference in December. He allegedly wrote in his notebook, "The target is insurance. It checks every box. I'm glad, in a way, that I procrastinated because it allowed me to learn more about United Healthcare." In a statement, Mangione's New York attorney expressed confidence in their defense, saying, "We are ready to fight these charges." This case brings up many legal, ethical, and societal issues that are layered and emotionally charged. The focus on Luigi Mangione's alleged actions, his motives, and the involvement of his family presents a complex picture. Here are some points to consider. The mother's statement. The reported comment by Mangione's mother that she could see him doing something like this is compelling yet nuanced. It suggests she may have observed behavioral changes or tendencies that aligned with violent actions. However, such statements in high-stress situations can be misinterpreted. It is also critical to differentiate between suspicion and actual knowledge or involvement in a crime. Legal implications for the family. There appears to be no evidence suggesting the family facilitated or encouraged Mangione's alleged actions. In the absence of direct involvement, criminal liability for the family seems highly unlikely. Civil liability would also require evidence of negligence or complicity, which does not appear present here. The terrorism charges. The prosecution's strategy to frame this as terrorism hinges on demonstrating that Mangione's alleged actions were intended to coerce or intimidate the public or influence policy. The manifesto and writings may support this charge, but proving intent in such cases can be challenging. The defense is likely to argue that Mangione's motivations were personal or ideological rather than explicitly aimed at influencing policy or governance. The victim's legacy. It is crucial to center the narrative on Brian Thompson and his family, who are enduring the aftermath of a senseless tragedy. The victim's humanity should not be overshadowed by the suspect's alleged motives or ideology. This case will likely have significant implications for legal discussions around terrorism, corporate targeting, and the role of ideology in criminal behavior. It also underscores the need for caution in interpreting family statements and public reactions to ensure justice is served fairly and impartially. Thank you for watching and staying with us through this gripping story. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Your support means everything to us. See you in the next one.